What's up, guys? In today's video, we actually get this WR450 finished up. I think it's one of the nicer Yamahas we've actually ever built. Comment below if you think so too. I absolutely freaking love this color scheme, but let's get into the video. We're gonna get the graphics on, get the seat cover on, and more or less just get it buttoned up and take it for a test ride.
What's going on with that thing? I still don't know how to use the stamp thing. I think I broke it. I was like stuck down. Dude. Well, welcome back. Why did they stop putting vents and gas cans? Put the little cap back here.
The not so fun part of building bikes with fenders that almost fit.
Just trim them just a little bit.
A little trimming action. Oh! Everyone thinks we just hit a magical button and red comes out. Not the case.
This is like all these different reds and none of them are...
Oh, it's pretty damn close.
You think so? To the frame?
Get a flashlight.
Yeah.
It's kind of in a dark shadow-ish. We did not powder coat this frame. Our customer did, so it's a little bit off from what we're used to. It's pretty close.
It is. Yeah.
That's real close. Alex, show everybody your little filler panel here. It looks freaking awesome.
Filler panels that I made yesterday.
Yep, so as you guys remember in the past, we built a whole new gas tank subframe with a Honda seat on the previous model of this bike. So we actually went back to the YFZ components. You want to pull the seat off? Pretty sweet, dude. So we got some slotted holes here. And it kind of just ties together. We put a Honda post on this Yamaha. It's just a little bit stronger. It's not a piece of plastic. The other one's kind of janky. We've already got the adjustments made on the seat pan to actually work with the Honda style post. And yeah, these filler panels float on each side. We just powder coated them. We might wrap these with red. I'm not sure yet, but this black right here, I think might just keep the black line going. I think it looks pretty good.
I like it. Yeah,
super clean. Happy with it. Can't wait to get that seat cover on there if it shows up soon, and get this thing done.
Let's do it.
So we got a dilemma.
I don't really see a dilemma. I know what I want to do.
Okay, so this is the cover the customer sent us. And at first, we thought the red was too far off from the frame, so we ordered a 4Works one, but...
Kind of tomato paste. Dude.
I mean, it's a nice seat, it's beautiful, but it just looks like tomato paste, so...
It's not the right red for the red that we're using on the bike.
No. So we're gonna go back to this one. So we'll pretend in that time-lapse video that you were putting that one on and just call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
We won't video you putting this on again.
No.
Okay. Glad we're on the same page.
No.
So we're working on the video for this.
Oh, yeah.
Just like all our other videos, we take a clip every, I don't know, 3-4 days.
Something like that.
And then
like,
parts show up, and
so many projects going
so
on.
we got the stickies on, we got the seat cover on a second time. Guys, stay tuned. Video's coming up for the 500. This thing came well before that, so we're doing everything in order and we're doing what we can here. But so here's the next thing we're doing. This bike came with blue anodized caps, so we're simply going to take these off, class beat them, put them back on, and get this thing rolling. We're going to get that back on, get it filled up with some fresh gas, take it outside and go for a test ride. I'm feeling excited. Definitely pumped to try this thing out. I like your use of cardboard.
Gotta keep the floors nice and clean.
Exactly. Guys, we got a 2018 WR450 here that we just finished up. This build's actually been in the works for a couple of years. A customer from Canada ordered it. He ended up shipping us his bike to finish the build. Got it all together. It took a little while to get parts, get everything dialed in, but this was his color scheme choice, and he actually came up with the Tri WR name, and I think it's pretty badass. So, real happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna take this thing for a rip real quick and test it out.
How's you feel?
Dude, it's a soft, plush, fun little bike. I shouldn't say little, it's pretty large, but I'm gonna have all this. Yeah, I like it. If I had to choose one for trails, this might be it. It's a different ride now with the Yamaha. It's got the intake right here, so you hear the thing sucking the whole time. That's one big advantage. If you plan to, I guess, buy one of these to mud ride, your intake's up here, it's completely protected. It's a dirt bike, so they did that for a reason, and Yamaha's had great luck with that design. The motor's basically backwards. You got your intake up here. You got your exhaust coming out the back. This one does loop around. They try to make the head pipe a little bit longer on these for different power output. Blast, dude. I'm not going to be riding this one in the dirt. This is one that is getting shipped to Canada, so I want our customer to get this thing in pristine condition. We did mention it, I think, earlier in the video, but I'm going to show it again. So the way you get some gas cap, the Yamaha's basically under the seat. So right here, just pop that up, gas cap's right here. This is the factory front seat from the dirt bike. The guy holding the camera ended up making all these pillar pivots and everything looking real good on this bike. We got the Honda seat post right here. We're actually going to tie these in. I'm going to ask my customer if he wants me to or not. I like to be able to just pop this thing off. Having it dangle there, not into that. Got the YFZR seat with our seat post relocator mount. So this gives you a Honda style front post. We prefer it. You guys see the battery box right here. Got all electrical kind of tucked up and out of the way. We did not put the taillight on this. We have a plug kind of dangling. We're not sure if we're going to put one on it or not. But yeah, it's pretty damn clean bike, man. I'm happy with it. Just like that. Got all the factory gauges on here. Everything's mounted up in front of the triple clamp. Just got a simple start button. Well guys, that's it for today's video. We're running out of stuff to say about this bike. It's just super clean. Probably one of the nicest Yamahas we've actually built. I love the colors, it's Honda colors, of course. If you guys think it looks like the Ultra Z, I'll insert a clip of that. I think we pulled it off. I think our customer had a good vision on it, and hopefully it's his dream bike, and he has some fun riding it. So this thing's gonna get crated up and shipped out to Canada. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video on following Yamaha. If you want to see more Yamaha builds, comment below, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, because we have unlimited stuff coming. So stay tuned.